Good morning, Mr. Thompson. I've put a cast on your arm. Now tell me, how did you get injured?
Hello, doctor. Well, it's kind of a funny story. You know those caution wet floor signs in supermarkets?
Yes, of course I do. You didn't see it?
Didn't notice it. I was too busy watching a video on my phone. Next thing I remember, I was flying like Superman and landed on my arm hard.
Ouch. That sounds painful. You really should pay more attention to where you're walking.
I agree. Some kid started clapping and laughing like it was a comedy show.
Well, you definitely made an impression and a story to tell. Let's talk about your recovery. Is your arm hurting now?
Only when I try to scratch under the cast with a ruler, or when I try to hold a cup of coffee.
The bone is healing nicely. If you follow the instructions, your arm should be fully recovered in about 3 weeks.
3 weeks! That's a lifetime in one-handed mode. I can't even open a jar. I feel like a baby panda.
Well, Mr. Panda, no lifting, no sports, and absolutely no more flying in supermarkets.
Deal. I'll remember that wet floor sign for the rest of my life.
Good morning, young man. So, tell me, how exactly did you get these injuries?
You won't believe me, Doc. I was attacked by balloons.
Balloons? That's a new one. What happened? Did they gang up on you in the park?
Almost. I was celebrating my birthday at a cafe. My friends gave me a bunch of helium balloons. You know, cheerful, harmless, floating joy.
Sounds safe enough so far.
Yeah, until I decided to light a sparkler while holding them.
Oh no.
Oh yes. One little spark jumped from the sparkler to a balloon. Pop. And apparently, helium is not as peaceful as it looks. There was this quick flash of fire and, well, here I am.
I have to say, that's the first time in my career I've seen a patient injured by festive decor.
Guess I'm a pioneer then.
Lucky pioneer. Your injuries aren't too serious. We'll discharge you soon.
Thanks, Doc. I really appreciate it.
Just promise me you'll be careful, even during celebrations, especially during celebrations.
Deal. No more mixing fire and helium.
Good. Let's keep this as the only balloon explosion in my medical records.
Good morning, miss. What can I help you with today?
Hello, doctor. I've been getting headaches almost every evening.
How's your blood pressure?
Last time it was a bit high, around 160, and it felt really unpleasant. I was also feeling dizzy.
That definitely needs to be checked. Are you under a lot of stress?
I have a full-time job, 2 kids, and a cat that screams at 3 a.m. What do you think?
Sounds like the main cause is stress and lack of sleep.
Also, my stomach's been acting strange. I get a burning feeling, especially after coffee.
Do you drink coffee on an empty stomach before breakfast?
Doctor, I am a working mom. I drink coffee whenever I find a free minute.
All right. That sounds like mild gastritis. We'll need to adjust your diet a little.
Does that mean less coffee?
It means smarter coffee with breakfast and maybe decaf in the afternoon.
Decaf coffee isn't coffee. It's sadness in a cup.
I'll give you a list of stomach-friendly foods, and we'll monitor your blood pressure weekly.
Doctor, could you write a note for my boss saying I need daily maps, less work, and to leave early every day?
I wish I could. If I had one like that from the chief doctor, I'd use it too.